and sway lies a garden dark and still, where roses dream away. A nightingale sings sweetly, pouring out her soul for a love so deep and cruel, for a heart she can't console. Red rose, red rose, born from a song so true. Bleed your colors for love, what we wouldn't do. Red rose, deep scarlet in the night, sing of love, sacrifice under starlight. In the quiet of the night, whispers float on air of a love so fierce and bright, and a student's despair. Through the pane a rose blooms, the stars watch in awe, a melody of hope and doom, and love that never saw. Despair through the pain of pain, yet still the nightingale sings of what the heart knows. Nothing's too great to give for a single red rose. Red rose, born from a song so true. Bleed your colors for love, what we wouldn't do. Red rose, deep scarlet in the night, sing of love, sacrifice under starlight. Oh, how the petals fall in the cold light of day, then turns to morning. As colors fade to gray, yet still the nightingale sings of what the heart knows. Nothing's too great to give